Hello, I'm back here again now on our channel. Hello to our viewers and subscribers. Today I just want to present to you something that I unearthed from my stash. I believe I haven't seen this in any video unboxing, so I'm going to present this to you. So I was fortunate to acquire this one, yeah, 2 or 3 years back from a friend. Actually, you don't get this kind of models in 64. These are not mainstream models. These are, they call this the dealer models. So when you buy how do you call this, a full size car, you have a privilege to buy a set. So maybe one of his family bought a car from this brand, then they were able to purchase this set. So it was handed down to me, and I was lucky to acquire it. So as you can see, the box itself is 10 inches, and the thickness is about 4.5. Just sorry. Yeah. So now I present to you the Shanghai Volkswagen and Skoda. So Volkswagen owns Skoda. That's why they're in one box like this. And the height is also 10 inches. So the box itself is heavy. So this is about the total. So that is 2,163 grams. So it's about more than a kilo. 2 kilos and 163 grams. Okay, so start to unbox it. I'm gonna show you what's inside. It's heavy. Okay. See, it's like a big storybook. Yeah? Can you see that? So some of these are Skoda, some are but most are from Volkswagen. These are all modern cars. The one that you see currently on the streets, or maybe in your area, you can see it. It's an everyday car that you see. So we'll try to unbox each one of these. Okay, then I'll see you on the next page. Alright. It will take me a whole lot of time to unbox each one, but we're gonna make it quick. Okay, now everything's ready. We can now make quick quick description and review on these models. So now I can show you this Volkswagen New Polo. Yes, so this is a new generation Volkswagen. Okay, I'll zoom it in so you can see. Okay, so Actually, they are in a clear case. So most of them have rubber wheels, rolling rubber wheels, very detailed front end, separate chrome grills. These are separate lenses for the lights, crystal clear detailed interior, crystal clear windows. They even have a sunroof. Also, these are clear red lenses for the tail lights. You can even see the legibility of the logo. See that? It's Tampo print. Even the some indicators there, delineators is good. Even the wheels are detailed. Let's open one. Okay. You can see the paint is also excellent and very glossy. Even the undercarriage is some sparse detail over there. So this car is a front wheel drive. So you can see how it smoothly it rolls. So this is not a toy, but it's a great model. Usually when I collect a family of cars. For example, like this one, Volkswagen. All the models that I could get in premium model, I'll get it. I must have it. So right now, maybe I have because of that that kind of theme in my collection, car collecting, diecast collecting. I have I lost count of all the models that I acquired. So on to the next model. Okay, this one, the Gran La Vida. The Gran La Vida by Volkswagen also. As you can see, how nice is it done, just like the new Polo. And the Lamando or Liamando. Wow, there's a big sunroof. You can see even the wheels are very detailed. Look at that grill. And there's a nice chrome trim on the windows. And another one. It's called the New Santana. This one is a New Santana. Very nice sedan. On to the next one. The new Passat. This one is an executive car. I like the color. I think this is like a deep midnight blue. But it's kind a little bit purple in color. And we have also the new Tiguan. Tiguan or Tiguan? I like this color. What kind of color is this? Suits well the model, huh? And we have the Volkswagen Cross La Vida. I know one of you guys maybe drives a Volkswagen, and maybe some of these you have in your garage. And this one, the Cross Polo. When you maybe Cross Polo, it could be 4-wheel drive. So this is a Polo, right? So this one is a Cross Polo. They have the same platform, same body. Excuse me. Same body, but maybe different platform. This one maybe a 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Perfect for winters, for snow, or a little off-roading. And we also have this new Touran people carrier for soccer moms. Very nice detail. Excellent. And we have the new La Vida. La Vida. So we have the Grand La Vida. This one is Grand Tourer, Sportback. This one is a sedan. Okay. Let's see some key differences. The mag wheels are the same. Only okay. And the front end, they are exactly the same. The sunroof also the same, only different body type. This one is a Sportback, or what you call this, a wagon. But this one is a sedan. Okay. You can see the logos are very legible. Okay. On to wait, what is this? This is now the Skoda. This is their crossover Yeti. Skoda Yeti or Y80. Just kidding. So Yeti. Okay. Very nice. Great model. So on to next. This looks like the Volkswagen Grand La Vida. Maybe this car Rapid Spaceback. Skoda Rapid Spaceback. I believe they share the same platform as the Grand La Vida. Maybe they share some parts too. Only the trim and they are different, but basically they are the same body configuration. And now we move on to the new Superb. Oh, looks like a Beamer. Skoda new Superb. Looks like an executive car. Is this the same? Are they the same platform? This new Passat, and what do you think? No, I don't think so. Now we move on to the Rapid. Skoda Rapid. Entry-level cars. Sedan. Entry-level sedan. Rapid. Skoda Rapid. Excellent paint job in all of these models. And now we move to the new Fabia. So this one is a small crossover. It's very detailed. I like the color. It's yellow, canary yellow. Of course, very detailed. Front end, separate headlight pieces, grille, rubber wheels, rolling rubber wheels. And the last but not the least, this Skoda new Octavia. Looks like the other German automake Audi. I love this. I like this, the styling of this one. New Skoda, a new Octavia. I like it. Oh, that's a big sunroof. So there you go, guys. All the contents of this box have been presented. Thank you for indulging with me, and see you again next time. Bye, and thank you to all of you.